Welcome back. Today, we're inside Rolls-Royce, unlocking the birth of the world's most efficient aero-engine, the Trent XWB.
It all starts with the spine, forging the ultra-strong titanium core shaft to withstand massive rotational torque.
Next, CNC lasers machine this shaft to absolute perfection, ensuring zero friction at thousands of RPMs. Sliding the low-pressure compressor discs onto the shaft. This layer-by-layer assembly guarantees structural integrity.
Now, the high-pressure compressor drum aligns. It squeezes air into a volatile, high-energy state.
The combustion chamber takes its place, engineered with exotic materials to withstand temperatures hotter than lava.
Mounting the high-pressure turbine disc. This single component extracts massive energy from expanding gases.
Prepping the central fan hub. Every single blade slot is precision cleaned and ultra-lubricated for smooth assembly.
Sliding in the iconic titanium fan blades, lightweight, aerodynamically twisted, and strong enough to ingest pure energy. The aerodynamic spinner cone is locked at the front, keeping airflow perfectly streamlined into the engine.
Attaching the multi-stage low-pressure turbine, the final powerhouse that drives the giant front fan.
Lowering the massive containment fan case. Built to protect, it surrounds the entire inner core.
Fitting the heavy-duty exhaust nozzle. This shapes the hot airflow into pure directional thrust. Mounting the accessory gearbox underneath. This critical component channels core power to generate aircraft electricity. Securing the inner cowling panel. This aerodynamically seals the inner core machinery away from high-speed bypass air.
Installing the complex matrix of high-pressure fuel and hydraulic lines. Precision routing prevents any leaks under pressure.
Wrapping high-grade thermal insulation blankets. Protecting external subsystems from extreme core volcanic temperatures. Mounting the brain, the FADEC system. It monitors and controls every operational metric microsecond by microsecond. Mounting the outer nacelle body shell. This aerodynamic shield fully encloses the massive propulsion powerhouse.
Preparing the bare outer shell for painting. Micro-sanding removes every imperfection for optimal aerodynamic gloss.
Securing the heavy-duty pylon to our Rolls-Royce Arctic White engine, the ultimate structural link to the aircraft. A full 3D laser scan inspects the Rolls-Royce Arctic White body, ensuring zero microscopic surface defects.
Suspending the Rolls-Royce Arctic White Giant into the test bed, getting fully rigged for its raw power run.
Ignition. The Rolls-Royce Arctic White Trent XWB screams to life, unleashing 97,000 pounds of pure thrust.
From blueprint to the skies, this Rolls-Royce Arctic White masterpiece rules the air. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for the next mega build.